Imagine walking into a world where dental excellence meets luxury, where your dream smile isn't just a possibility, it's a guarantee. Dr. Cha doesn't just create veneers. She crafts masterpieces that become part of your unique story. What sets Dr. Cha apart? It's her magical combination of precision artistry and cutting-edge technology. Every veneer is a bespoke creation, meticulously designed to complement your facial features, personality, and lifestyle. Her signature technique? The natural radiance approach that leaves everyone asking, were you born with that perfect smile? Don't wait to unleash your most captivating smile. Your journey to dental perfection starts with Dr. Jennifer Cha, where every smile tells a story of transformation. Book your consultation today and step into a future where your smile knows no limits.